4 reasons why do we have to pay the construction worker even if his time is not up to 1 hour. Why do we have to pay the construction worker even if his time is not up to 1 hour? Because as long as he has done his work, don't pay him per day. Don't underestimate construction workers. It is important to compensate construction workers for the time they spend working, even if it is less than 1 hour. Here are a few reasons why. Number 1. Fairness. If a construction worker has completed work for the day, they should be compensated for that work, even if it took them less than an hour. Failing to compensate them for their work would be unfair and exploitative. Number 2. Cost of living. Construction workers, like everyone else, have to pay for their cost of living, including food, housing, transportation, and other expenses. They rely on their income to cover this cost, so it is important to pay them for the time they work. Number 3. Skill and expertise. Construction work often requires a high level of skill and expertise. Workers may have spent years honing their craft and building their knowledge. By paying them for their time, you are recognizing and valuing their skill. Number 4. Professionalism. Paying construction workers for their time is a sign of professionalism and respect. It helps to establish a positive working relationship and can lead to better results in the long run. Final words. In summary, it is important to compensate construction workers for their time, even if it is less than an hour. Failing to do so would be unfair and disrespectful to their skills and expertise.